everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Belle and today we are going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing, which is why I have no makeup on. My Boxycharm came super late this year and that's why this video is only going up now when it's like almost February, but this is the January box. If you haven't tried Boxycharm yet, it is an awesome monthly subscription box that gives you 4 to 5 deluxe sample or full-size products, and it is only $21 a month, so it's a super good deal. Usually the box retails for like everything in the box retails for like over $100, probably $125 and up. Each item can range from $5 to, I think we've had like a $79 product once in the box, so that's pretty incredible. If you'd like to sign up, I will leave a link down in the description below, but without further ado, let's get started on opening this box. Ooh. Oh! So Boxycharm, actually last month, they gave me a repeat product from a box that I had already gotten before, and they sent me an email about a month ago saying that in my next box they were going to send me an extra item because they were sorry about giving me a repeat item. So this is what I got in there. It looks like it is a full spectrum eyeliner pencil from Makeup Geek. That'll be cool. I think I'll use this in this video anyways. So first we have the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. Dr. Brandt is a really pricey brand, so I love that they include brands like that in our box. It retails for $38. Not bad, not bad. Luminizer Primer delivers a natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautifully illuminated, flawless complexion. Oh, that's like tinted. I didn't realize that. Kind of smells like sunscreen. Well, I don't know. A really herbally sunscreen. It feels really nice. It feels like I'm just applying moisturizer. It really doesn't feel that much like a primer. If anything, it actually kind of feels like sunscreen. It's kind of like thick, but you know, hydrating and almost greasy, but I can tell that it's sinking into the skin really well. People with dry skin would probably really like this, actually. Hopefully it's still good for people with oily skin, because that's what I have. I feel like a foundation will go on really well over this, so let's do that next. Okay, so I went ahead and applied my foundation and my concealer and powder. I do notice that it's quite luminous. It's a little bit more glowy than when I usually just put powder on over my base, so that's nice. This is the IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade Universal Taupe. I wonder if they have any other shades, or if because it's universal, that means that's the only shade. I usually never go for taupes because my eyebrow hairs are pretty much black. Ooh, I like the packaging on this. This is the nicest brow pencil that I've ever owned. So it says this is retail price $24. It's universal transforming shade, adjusts to all hair colors based on pressure. Its exclusive oval tip mimics the look of real hair, and it includes a built-in grooming spoolie brush for polish perfection. Huh, it adjusts to all hair colors based on pressure? I'm not exactly sure how that works. I wonder if this like is a color changing type of formula and that's why it's universal, or what? I don't know, we'll just have to try it out. See how this is a universal taupe shade. It looks really good in my brows, I think. I like that it's not overly warm or overly cool toned. It's like the perfect shade for me, actually. So that's really cool. One thing I didn't like is that oval shaped tip is, I don't know, I feel like it didn't do the best job on my tail being precise, but other than that, I really like this and I'm probably gonna keep using it. It's really soft, and it's not waxy, and it's not like hard to rub on or anything like that. Super soft, glides on really well, and I like that it has a spoolie. Yeah, I'm gonna keep trying this out. I like this. Alrighty, the next product is a palette. Ooh, another palette from Boxycharm. Boxycharm really loves to give us palettes. This palette is called the Glam Metals palette by Crown Brush. Ooh. So the Crown Pro Glam Metals palette, retail price is $25. These highly pigmented, ultra blendable shadows make smoky eye looks a breeze. There are definitely tons of shades in here that I don't own at all. So I'm really excited to use this. Look at that pretty periwinkle color. Heavy metal. Let's swatch that. Let's also swatch Wild Thing. This beautiful plummy reddish color. And I also immediately am drawn to Rebel, this orange metallic rusty type color. Look at that. It looks like every single shade is metallic except for Black Metal, which is a matte black right here. So first I'm gonna go in with a transition shade from a different palette just because there aren't any transition shades in that palette. So just using like a soft brown. I'm gonna take Wild Thing, this reddish metallic red right here, super pretty. I'm also gonna take this color and put it on my lower lash line. I'm gonna add a little bit of Wicked into the outer corner. And now I'm going to go in with Rebel in the inner corner. Well, not the inner corner, but the inner half of my lid, Rebel. And I'm just gonna use my fingers for this. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Fingers is the way to go, or it's just this shade that is extra special. Holy moly, that is so pigmented. I don't know if any of these are light enough to go in my inner corner. Maybe Pop Rock, but it's kind of silvery, and I don't know if it'll go well with Rebel. Let's just do that. Let's just try. Okay, I can work with that. I think that this palette would work a lot better with like wet or just with your fingers instead of with a brush. I think you just get a lot more color payoff with your fingers than with a brush, and if I were to use this wet, it would probably be even more stunning. Definitely love the color Rebel, and Wild Thing is beautiful as well, and Pop Rock is really good for the inner corner. I'm really excited to try out Pumpkin Heavy Metal eventually. These two blues, one's like a periwinkle, one's like a powder blue, I want to say. Okay, one's more like a no, okay. Punk is kind of like periwinkle, and Heavy Metal is definitely like a powder blue. I do want to go ahead and use that Makeup Geek eyeliner that I got that was an extra for this month. This item is not in the box this month for most subscribers. This is just an extra item they sent me because they sent me a repeat item in my previous box, but I'm just going to use it today. This is a Makeup Geek eyeliner pencil. Ooh, this is a good shade in the shade Plumeria. That's gonna be perfect with my eye look. I'm gonna put this on the bottom lash line. Whoa, that's a beautiful color. I'm just gonna go in and smudge it a little bit with Wild Thing, the color I have on my lid. Whew, that is a look. All right, I need to get some liner and mascara on, balance all this craziness out. So here's the completed eye look using the Glam Metals palette. This is the Pure Bronze and Brighten Cheek palette. Retail price $34. An on-the-go highlight bronzer and blush palette with 3 skin perfecting powders to create an effortless and sun-kissed glow on every skin tone, featuring Pure's fan favorites Afterglow and Mineral Glow along with the new blush shade Blushing Glow. Throw this in your bag and you're ready to go. Sounds like it's very glowy. Isn't this the most beautiful packaging though? It's so pretty, I love it. It reminds me of like marble. Oh my god. Holy moly. This is stunning. These are so beautiful, I don't even want to touch them. Oh, what? What? Oh my god. This is like just straight up chunky shimmer. All of these. So freaking beautiful. I'm gonna swatch these right now. So shimmery. I guess I'm gonna put this on my face. Okay, well, let's start with the bronzer. I think this bronzer would be a beautiful eyeshadow for sure. Especially if you're not somebody who likes a shimmery bronzer. I like it. I'm definitely not afraid of a shimmery bronzer, and once you put it on the face, it's not quite as bad as it would look. I mean, it doesn't look quite so shimmery as when it's in the pan. So I feel like I am going to be using this a lot. Not just this bronzer, but this whole set. I'm gonna go into the blush now. This is such a beautiful blush. It's like a coral, super bright. I don't think I own anything like this, so I am so excited to use this. Whoa. All right. It's very pigmented indeed. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Highlighter time. Man, this palette makes me want to sing. Yes. Okay, I didn't have to go as light-handed as I thought I did. So, I'm just gonna dip in there and go for it this time. Oh, yes, yes, yes! Yes! Oh my god, I'm in love with this set. Some might say that you may not want to use all 3 of these shimmer shades together, but I'd say otherwise. Why not? If you just want to look like you're glowing from within, or from the outside too, go for this palette. All of them, all 3 shimmers together. Okay, okay, I'm done. I need to put this down. Okay, one more thing in the box. Wow, I feel like there's been so much good stuff in this box. This is the Girlactik lip paint. Let me get this open. I have heard a lot about this, so I'm really excited to try this. Okay, this is in the shade Posh. Retail price $23. It's lightweight, long-wearing, non-cracking, and won't settle. For better application, do not apply a lip balm or lip primer before application. I did apply a lip balm, but I can already feel that it's already sunk in, and I was about to just apply more, but since it told me not to, then I won't. Let's put this on our lips. This looks like a beautiful color, too. Definitely something I would wear. Oh, yeah. For sure. Oh, it's so lightweight. I really like formulas like this that are like really liquidy and really light. but still so pigmented. Love it, love it, love everything in this box. Oh my god, this is so good. Everything is wonderful. I am so happy with this month's box, like you have no idea. Primer, I'm super excited for this. It felt great, it looks great, I have no complaints about it whatsoever, and it's a wonderful brand that I really love. The brow product by It Cosmetics, the Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. I really like this and it really does work for my eyebrows, so really excited to try this out even more. I'm also really digging this eyeshadow palette. I think it has some really great colors in here and a lot of colors that I do not already own, so super excited to try this out even more, just like everything else. What else? Oh, this palette. Obviously, I love this. I mean, I look so good right now. I love it. This one and the lipstick are my favorite products in the whole box. The Girlactik matte lip paint. Let's see if it's transfer proof. It might have dried already. And yes, it did dry already. Look at that, nothing. Alright guys, that was it for my Boxycharm unboxing. As you could probably tell, I really like this box, so I think you should subscribe to Boxycharm too if you haven't already. And if you have, leave me a comment and let me know what was in your box and if we got the same things and how you liked your box. If you want to join Boxycharm, I will leave a link in the description box below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already and you would like to see more from me in the future. And also hit me up on social media. My Instagram and my Twitter are both at BelEthereal, so find me there. And until next time, I will see you later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye! Oh man, did I not bring any scissors? I didn't wet my beauty blender. Can you see that? Why is this so awkward? Love it, love it, love it. Okay. Oh, I am so happy with this. Look at me. Ah! Bye. Oh my god, I am way too excited right now. Boxycharm is my jam. I want my hair back, I want my hair back.